Hello friends, welcome to my channel techgitter. In this video, I will walk you through the quick and easy process of setting up your ID.me account and linking it to the IRS website. If you do not have an account, we will see how to create it here. For this we have to go to the IRS website. Now click on Sign into your account. Here you can sign in for individuals, businesses, and tax professionals. Here I will sign in for individuals. You will then see the Sign in or Create a New Account window. Here we have to go to create an account. You will need to enter your email address and create a password. ID.me will send an email to that address. Click on the link in the email to confirm that it is really you. Click on text message or phone call to receive a confirmation code. Enter your phone number and click continue. Enter the 6-digit code you receive and click continue. Your account is now secure. Generate a recovery code. Click on Generate Recovery Code. Save or write down the code somewhere safe to ensure you always have access to your ID.me account. For the fastest verification, select Self-Service. Make sure you have your ID ready, e.g., driver's license. You will be asked to give your consent for the collection of biometric data, such as your photo, to verify your identity. Take photos of your ID. Take a clear, high-quality photo of the front of your ID. Take a high-quality photo of the back of your ID as well. Ensure the photos are well lit and not blurry to avoid any verification delays. If necessary, crop the photos to make sure the important information is clearly visible. Ensure the edges of the ID are within the frame and that no details are cut off. ID.me will now verify your identity by having you take a selfie and compare it to the uploaded ID. Allow ID.me to scan your face. Now confirm your phone. Enter Social Security number. Verify if your information is displayed correctly. Next, you will be returned back to the IRS site to select reason for transcript request. Leave customer file number cell blank if you were not directed by a third party to enter the number. Click OK. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. Have a nice day.